Good morning class. Today we are going to revise chapter 6, that is light. Students, in chapter 6, that is light, we have talked about what is light. We have also discussed about luminous and non-luminous object. We have also discussed about opaque, translucent and transparent object, and we have talked about the solar eclipse and lunar eclipse, and we have also talked about the image formation. So students, let us see what we have studied. So these are the topics which we have studied: the different sources of light, the transmission of light, we have discussed about reflection, laws of reflection, and we have discussed about the propagation of light in a straight line. We have talked about the opaque and translucent object. We have understood the concept of shadow, that is umbra and nimbra. We have also discussed about the reflection of light, the laws of reflection also, and formation of image. So students, let us talk about them. Students, basically talking about the source of light, so the object which produces light are called source of light. And students, there are considered some objects are considered as luminous object. These are the sun, the star and the candle lamp, okay, because they give out light of their own, so thus they are called luminous object. And the objects which do not let their own light are called non-luminous object, okay, like table, chair, book, mirror, etc. Now students, we have discussed about the opaque and transparent object. We have seen that transparent substance are those through which light pass completely, translucent object are those through which light can pass partially, and opaque object through which light do not pass. Then students, we have discussed about the propagation of light in a straight line, and we have also discussed about shadow, in which we have seen how the formation of umbra and nimbra. After that students, we have discussed about, you can see here, the solar eclipse. Firstly, we have talked about what are eclipse. So students, what is solar eclipse? So when the moon eclipse is called as lunar eclipse and the sun eclipse is called as solar eclipse. In solar eclipse, what happens? Moon comes in between sun and earth, and in lunar eclipse the earth comes in between moon and sun. Then we have talked about reflection of light, so where we have seen that whenever a shining surface returns the ray of light incident on it in the same medium, this is called as reflection of light, okay. Then we have talked about the laws of reflection. The very first law, that is the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal ray at a point of incident lies on the same plane, and the second, that is angle of incidence, is always equal to angle of reflection. So here you can see that angle of incident is always equal to the angle of reflection, okay. Now students, we have also talked about image formation. So here the important thing is the use of plane mirrors. So it is used for brushing in optical instrument, it is also used in submarines. Now students, let's talk about a spherical mirror. So we have seen some terms that are used in a spherical mirror. We have said that a spherical mirror is that mirror whose reflecting surface is part of hollow sphere of a glass, okay. Then we talk about the center of curvature, radius of curvature, pole, which is designated by P, principal axis, and focus. Now student, we have also talked about focal length. So focal length is equal to the radius of curvature by 2, that is, it is r by 2. It is the formula of focal length. It is basically the distance of pole, that is distance of the focus from the pole. It is called as focal length. So this is all about the lecture of the light chapter, and we have discussed that where the spherical mirrors are used. So they are used in concave and convex mirrors, okay. So uses of concave mirror, so that is concave mirror used as a saving mirror, and doctors use concave mirror in detecting diseases. When talking about convex mirror, so since a convex mirror always produces an erect image, therefore image for many object of the traffic behind can be easily seen through it. So these are the basic topics of the chapter, that is light. Thank you class.